Hi there. In this video, we explore some of the endless things to do in New York City. We highlight the iconic landmarks and unique experiences that make the Big Apple one of the most exciting cities in the world. Whether you're a first-time visitor or a seasoned local, there's always something new to discover. You can also use this video as inspiration for planning your city trip to New York. New York City, one of the largest and most influential cities in the United States, consists of 5 unique boroughs. Manhattan, the most popular borough, is known for iconic landmarks and is the financial and cultural heart of the city. Brooklyn has a vibrant art scene and historic brownstones. Queens, the most ethnically diverse area in the world, is known for its food culture and sports venues. The Bronx is home to Yankee Stadium, rich in history and diversity. Staten Island offers a suburban atmosphere and features the Staten Island Ferry with views of the Statue of Liberty and the Manhattan skyline. Here is a list of things to do in this world city. Stroll along the High Line. This elevated linear park, built on a historic freight rail line, runs 1.45 miles along Manhattan's west side, from Gansevoort Street in the Meatpacking District to 34th Street. Opened in stages between 2009 and 2019, the High Line offers stunning views of the Hudson River, modern art installations, and beautifully landscaped gardens. Visitors can enjoy walking paths, seating areas, and seasonal public programs, including performances and guided tours. The park is also adjacent to trendy neighborhoods, making it perfect for exploring nearby galleries, shops, and restaurants. Catch a baseball game of the New York Yankees at Yankee Stadium in the Bronx, or see the New York Mets at Citi Field in Queens. Both stadiums offer a range of seating options, food vendors, and unique experiences like stadium tours and museums. When planning to attend a game, purchase tickets in advance. Arrive early to soak in the pre-game atmosphere and explore the unique food and merchandise offerings at each venue. The 9/11 Memorial and Museum is a profound and poignant site dedicated to remembering the victims of the September 11, 2001 terrorist attacks. Located at the World Trade Center site in Lower Manhattan, it consists of the memorial and the museum. The memorial is an outdoor area consisting of 2 large reflecting pools set in the footprints of the original Twin Towers. The names of nearly 3,000 victims are inscribed on bronze parapets surrounding the pools. Located beneath the memorial, the museum presents a comprehensive and moving account of the events of 9/11. Central Park, located in the heart of Manhattan, is a must-visit destination for any traveler to New York City. Spanning 843 acres, this iconic urban oasis offers a wide variety of attractions and activities. It offers scenic landscapes like the Great Lawn and Bow Bridge, and recreational activities such as biking, jogging, and ice skating at Woolman Rink in winter. Cultural attractions include the Central Park Zoo and Delacorte Theatre, while landmarks like Bethesda Terrace and Belvedere Castle highlight the park's historical architecture. Enjoy gardens like the Conservatory Garden, events like Summer Stage, and dining at Tavern on the Green or Loeb Boathouse. Shopping in New York City offers a diverse and unique experience, catering to all tastes and budgets. Fifth Avenue stands out as a premier destination for high-end shopping, featuring luxury stores and flagship locations like Saks Fifth Avenue, Tiffany & Co., and Apple. For those seeking trendy boutiques and art galleries, Soho's cobblestone streets and cast-iron architecture provide an eclectic mix of high-fashion stores and artistic flair. Herald Square, home to Macy's, the world's largest department store, offers a wide range of goods from designer clothes to home essentials. The Westfield World Trade Center, located in the Oculus, offers a modern shopping experience with high-end and mid-range stores, while Chelsea Market is a haven for foodies, featuring gourmet shops, artisan foods, and unique boutiques. New York City is renowned for its world-class museums, offering travelers a rich array of cultural, historical, and artistic experiences. One of the most iconic is the Metropolitan Museum of Art, often simply referred to as the Met. Located on the eastern edge of Central Park, it houses an extensive collection spanning over 5,000 years of art from around the globe. Nearby, the American Museum of Natural History provides a fascinating exploration of the natural world. Its exhibits include dinosaur fossils, a comprehensive collection of gemstones, and the impressive Hayden Planetarium, which offers immersive space shows. The Museum of Modern Art, MoMA, in Midtown Manhattan, is a must-visit for contemporary art enthusiasts. It features works by modern masters such as Vincent van Gogh, Andy Warhol, and Pablo Picasso. In the Chelsea neighborhood, the Whitney Museum of American Art focuses on contemporary artists and unique exhibitions. A short distance away is the Guggenheim Museum, notable for its striking Frank Lloyd Wright design building and its collection of modern and contemporary art. Take a helicopter tour. A helicopter flight over New York City offers a unique and exhilarating way to see the city's iconic landmarks from a breathtaking vantage point. For travelers looking to experience the city in a new way, helicopter tours provide panoramic views of the Manhattan skyline, the Statue of Liberty, Central Park, and the Empire State Building. Several companies offer tours with options ranging from short 15-minute flights to more extended 30-minute adventures. Tours typically depart from heliports located in downtown Manhattan and at the West 30th Street heliport. Visiting New York City in winter offers a magical and festive experience for travelers. The city transforms into a winter wonderland with numerous activities and sights that capture the season's spirit. From late November to early January, holiday decorations and lights adorn streets, storefronts, and landmarks, creating a captivating atmosphere. One of the highlights of winter in New York is ice skating at iconic locations like the Rockefeller Center Ice Rink, Bryant Park Winter Village, and Central Park's Woolman Rink. The Rockefeller Center, with its famous Christmas tree and twinkling lights, is a must-see, offering a quintessential New York holiday experience. Winter is also the season for holiday markets, where travelers can shop for unique gifts, crafts, and seasonal treats. The Union Square Holiday Market and the Grand Central Holiday Fair are popular choices, featuring a variety of vendors and festive cheer. Snowfall, while not guaranteed, can add a picturesque charm to the cityscape, making places like Central Park even more enchanting. The New York Public Library, specifically the Stephen A. Schwarzman Building on 5th Avenue and 42nd Street, is a must-visit destination for travelers in New York City. Opened in 1911, this iconic Beaux-Arts landmark is renowned for its stunning architecture, vast collections, and cultural significance. As you approach the library, you'll be greeted by the famous marble lions, Patience and Fortitude, which guard the entrance. Inside, the library boasts magnificent spaces such as the Rose Main Reading Room, a grand hall with soaring ceilings, chandeliers, and rows of wooden tables where visitors can read and work. The library is home to over 50 million items, including books, manuscripts, maps, and historical documents, making it one of the largest public libraries in the world. Taking the Staten Island ferry is a fantastic way to experience New York City from a unique perspective. Departing from Whitehall Terminal in Manhattan, the free ferry ride offers stunning views of the Statue of Liberty, Ellis Island, and the Manhattan skyline. The journey, which takes about 25 minutes each way, provides ample opportunities for sightseeing and photography. Ferries run frequently, 24/7, making it easy to fit into your itinerary. Once on Staten Island, you can explore the Staten Island Zoo, the Staten Island Museum, and various waterfront parks. The ferry is a must-do for a memorable, budget-friendly city experience. Bryant Park, nestled in Midtown Manhattan, is a vibrant oasis in New York City, offering a range of activities year-round. The park features lush green lawns, shaded seating areas, and a scenic backdrop of skyscrapers. During warmer months, visitors can enjoy outdoor movies, concerts, and a diverse range of food kiosks. The park also hosts a carousel, ping pong tables, and a charming library terrace. Bushwick, a neighborhood in Brooklyn, is renowned for its vibrant street art scene, making it a must-visit for art enthusiasts. The neighborhood is famous for its expansive murals and graffiti that adorn building walls and alleyways. A stroll through Bushwick Street Art District reveals works by local and international artists, featuring everything from bold colors to intricate designs. Many of these murals are part of organized projects like the Bushwick Collective, which hosts annual events and artist showcases. Guided tours are available to provide insight into the art and its creators. Exploring Bushwick offers a dynamic and immersive experience into New York City's contemporary urban art scene. The iconic Brooklyn Bridge connects Manhattan and Brooklyn across the East River. Completed in 1883, the bridge is one of the oldest suspension bridges in the United States. The bridge spans 1.1 miles and offers stunning views of the Manhattan skyline, the Statue of Liberty, and the East River, making it a popular spot for both sightseeing and photography. Walking or biking across the Brooklyn Bridge is a quintessential experience. Located above the roadways, the pedestrian bridge provides a safe and scenic path for visitors. From the Manhattan side, you can enter the bridge near City Hall Park. The walk to Brooklyn takes about 30 minutes, but many travelers take longer to enjoy the view and take photos. Times Square, often called the crossroads of the world, is a bustling commercial and entertainment center located in Midtown Manhattan and is known for its bright, towering electronic billboards and vibrant atmosphere. Times Square, the heart of the theatre district, offers world-class Broadway shows, and TKTS offers discounted tickets to popular same-day shows. Shopping and dining options abound, with showpieces like the Disney Store and M&M's World, as well as a wide range of restaurants, from quick bite to fine dining. Numerous events and performances take place in Times Square throughout the year, including the famous New Year's Eve ball drop, which draws many people. Street performers and costumed characters add to the lively atmosphere, making it a vibrant place both during the day and at night. Catching a Broadway show in New York City is a must-do experience, showcasing world-class live theatre in Manhattan's Theatre District. To maximize your visit, book tickets in advance through official sources or authorized resellers, as shows often sell out quickly. Wall Street, located in the financial district of Manhattan, is a historic hub of global finance and a key New York City landmark. Home to the New York Stock Exchange, it represents the heart of America's financial markets. Visitors can explore iconic sites such as the Charging Bull statue and Federal Hall, where George Washington took the oath of office. The area is also known for its impressive architecture, including historic buildings and modern skyscrapers. Rockefeller Center, a landmark in Midtown Manhattan, is a vibrant hub of entertainment, shopping, and culture. You can explore the top of the Rock, an observation deck on the 70th floor with stunning views of the city skyline. The center is also home to NBC Studios, where tours provide a behind-the-scenes look at television production. The Art Deco architecture and landscaped plazas make it a visual treat. The Empire State Building is an iconic New York City landmark. Standing at 1,454 feet tall, it offers breathtaking panoramic views from its observation decks on the 86th and 102nd floors. Built in 1931, this Art Deco skyscraper was once the tallest building in the world and remains a symbol of New York's architectural prowess. Visitors can enjoy an informative multimedia experience detailing the building's history and construction. The Empire State Building is beautifully illuminated at night and features a variety of light displays for special occasions. Its central location makes it easily accessible from various parts of the city. Coney Island, located in Brooklyn, is a historic seaside destination known for its vibrant boardwalk, amusement parks, and classic beachside attractions. The area features iconic landmarks such as Luna Park and Deno's Wonder Wheel amusement park, where visitors can enjoy thrilling rides and classic carnival games. Coney Island's boardwalk is perfect for a leisurely stroll, offering views of the Atlantic Ocean and access to a range of dining options, including famous Nathan's hot dogs. The beach itself provides a sandy escape from the city's hustle and bustle, ideal for sunbathing and swimming. Coney Island is also home to the New York Aquarium, which showcases marine life through engaging exhibits. Easily accessible by subway, Coney Island provides a nostalgic and fun-filled experience with a blend of entertainment, food, and scenic views, making it a great addition to any New York City itinerary. Taking the iconic New York City subway is a quintessential experience for any traveler. With its extensive network of 472 stations and 24-hour service, the subway provides convenient access to nearly every corner of Manhattan, Brooklyn, Queens, and the Bronx. Purchasing a Metro card allows you to ride the subway with ease, and using the MTA's app or maps can help you navigate the system efficiently. The subway is not only a practical way to get around, but also offers a unique glimpse into the city's daily life and culture. It's an affordable and essential mode of transportation for exploring New York's diverse neighborhoods and attractions. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel content and hit the bell so you don't miss out on our latest adventures.